Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cookin' in the County, and this is Broccoli Week. This is our last video of the week on broccoli, and I'm bringing you a childhood favorite recipe I had since I was little. It's a chicken broccoli divine, but added a few extra things that my mom made for us when we were kids. So this is kind of a couple things, and basically my mom made this recipe up in some ways. Okay.
Here's a list of ingredients you're gonna need to make this chicken broccoli divine made my mom's way. You will need 10 ounces of broccoli, 1.5 cups of cooked chicken, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of dried breadcrumbs, croutons, crushed Ritz crackers, or tortilla chips. And don't forget your Lipton chicken noodles.
First thing we're going to use is a can of cream of mushroom soup. I don't use can of anything. I actually make my own homemade condensed chicken, mushroom, any cheddar cheese one. I have a video on those. I'm going to add that video to the description below. But I am going to make this authentic. My mom always used the cream of mushroom soup, so that is what I'm doing. I'm going back old school. Just going for the memories of what my mom made when we were kids. Okay, 1 can of cream of mushroom, 1/3 cup of milk, and we're just going to whisk this all together. This is so quick, you guys. Very quick. Throw it together, get it in the oven, get it on your table. And it's so yummy. It's yummy to me because it gives me back memories. Okay, so that's all we're doing with this. To this, we are adding chicken pasta side noodles. These are the noodles, not the rice. It's the noodles. So we're gonna add that right, seasoning everything to that and mix it all up. I made this for my kids and they love it too. Okay, that's what you got. Noodles and sauce. So we have 10 ounces of, it was frozen broccoli, but it's now unthawed or thawed, and some cheese. But I have about 3 chicken breasts here that we're gonna break up. It's already been cooked, it's all cool. It's all cooked, so we're just gonna break this chicken up. And then we're just gonna add everything together and throw it into a deep dish 9-inch pie plate. Make sure that your chicken is nice and seasoned. I have salt, pepper, garlic on this. I just roasted it in the oven. Let it cool down. Just break it up into the size pieces that you like. Okay, all our chicken is broken up. I'm gonna wash my hands. It's gonna be simple from here. We're gonna take our 10 ounces of broccoli, add it right to our bowl. All of our chicken. Stir this all up. Make sure everything gets covered good. Throw it into this pie plate. I'm gonna mix some cheese on top. And then my favorite part as a kid was, there's about 13 Ritz crackers here. We're just gonna mush them all up. Add a little bit of melted butter. I'm gonna put that on top. You can use tortilla chips, breadcrumbs. My mom always used Ritz crackers or tortilla chips. So I'm gonna do Ritz crackers today. I'm gonna melt about a tablespoon of butter. Okay, our butter's melted. Just gonna add our Ritz crackers, our crumpled up Ritz crackers to this. And we're gonna throw these on top. This is my childhood meal that I remember as a kid. We all kind of have those special dishes that our parents made for us that we remember that give us memories. So I thought it'd be nice on this broccoli week to bring you mine. It's been a crazy busy week. I also do meals during the week, family size meals, individual size meals. So it has been a busy week. I did broccoli Alfredo for all of them. So it has definitely been broccoli week. But it's really fun. It's keeping me busy and I love it. Okay guys, we're gonna put this into 350 degree oven. I'm gonna say for about 20 minutes, but we're gonna test it. Okay, this took a little longer than I thought it would. I think it's probably because all my ingredients were so cold from the refrigerator. It took a while. This took almost 35 minutes. I wanted it to make sure it was bubbling because you want it to cook those noodles. So I made sure it was bubbling. So we're gonna have to test it. Yum. The noodles are all cooked. Just the smell of it brings back childhood memories. So I get to test it. Now this might not be your type of recipe with the noodles and the canned soup, but it sure brought back memories for me. I think your family will really love it. You got your vegetables, you got your protein, you got your starch, you got your cheese. Everything's in there. So it's been a really busy week for me doing my cooking, doing some cakes and cupcakes for people and baby showers. But I really wanted to bring you a really yummy, quick, and delicious meal, and I hope I did that. If you like my videos, I would hope that you would subscribe, click the little bell button so you always know when I am posting a video, and give me a big fat thumbs up if you're liking my videos. Thanks so much guys, I totally appreciate every one of you that watch my videos. Thanks, have a good day.